What's going on, everyone? Alright, we're going to do a quick tutorial on MiG welding. We're going to show a quick bead on 16 gauge and a quick bead on 1/4 inch. Let's get into it. For our MiG welder settings, we're going to be right about 22.5 and 420 wire speed with 0.35 wire. Now for your gas setup, you want to be able to tap your trigger and you want to be right around 20. Alright, for our arc length, we want to be within a 1/2 inch. I like to be pretty tight. Don't go no further back than 3/4 of an inch. Nice 1/2 inch. Work it right in your corner. About a 15-degree angle. And we're going to push it right along and fill it. Quick bead, 1/4 inch. Alright, we're going to be switching over to 16 gauge. We're going to go 18.5 and about 265, 270 is perfectly fine. Same thing with 16 gauge with your arc length and your angle. Alright, there you guys have it. Quick little tutorial on how to weld different thicknesses, and hopefully you can gauge your machine to do anything a little under or a little over.